In today's video, we're tackling another question that comes up often.
How do we use the PBX dashboard?
Let's explore this together and unlock all the features and benefits it offers. Stay tuned as we guide you through the ins and outs of utilizing the PBX dashboard effectively. Starting from the e-toll-free login portal, click the PBX dashboard. This action opens up a new world of possibilities where you can manage call forwarding, set up phone extensions, modify your IVR system, personalize your voicemail, establish ring groups, and even manage incoming and outgoing faxes, among other functionalities. In our upcoming videos, I'll be taking you through each of these configurations in detail, ensuring you have all the knowledge and tools at your disposal to make the most out of your PBX dashboard. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.